Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a beautiful Christmas card. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to make with me. You know that this drawing is about Christmas, a special and holiday. It shows a scene with a bright star at the top, shining over a simple stable. Inside the stable, there is a manger with a baby surroundings by animals. The baby is joyous and people are bringing gifts. The night sky is calm and peaceful. The colors are warm like gold and blue. It feels like a quiet and scared moment. Outside there is snow and everything looks near. Overall, it's a simple and heartfelt drawing of the holiday of Christmas. This drawing is about Christmas Day. It shows a happy scene with a big decorated tree and colorful lights. There are present with pretty bows under the tree. People are smiling and wearing Santa hats. Inside, it's warm with a cozy fireplace and stockings.